She graduated magna cum laude with a degree in communications. Now she's working towards two dreams: building her family's dream home and bringing home the Philippines' fifth Miss Earth crown. Siocon, Zamboanga del Norte. From humble beginnings in the province to academic success in the city, she graduated with high honors in psychology. She now balances work at the Securities and Exchange Commission while pursuing her Juris Doctor's degree. Siocon, Zamboanga del Norte. Pasig City. A freshman college student with a blue belt in Taekwondo. But there's an artist behind an athlete. She enjoys drawing, and as a child, even turned cardboards into her own handmade toys. Pasig City. Filipino community of Queensland, Australia. Many of her Filipino relatives have made Australia their home, but she's proudly Filipino at heart. Currently based in Queensland, she's pursuing a degree in hospitality and digital communications. Filipino community of Queensland, Australia. Valencia City. After graduating magna cum laude with a degree in psychology, she became a qualified human resource associate and now serves as a legislative assistant in the local government unit of Valencia. Valencia City. Cebu City. She started modeling at the age of 14 and has since competed in various competitions, even earning an international title for the Philippines. She hopes her Miss Philippines Earth journey will help her grow not only as a model, but also as an advocate. Cebu City. Tupi South Cotabato. Fun fact about her family, they're all lefties. Armed with a degree in tourism management, she believes that learning to be self-sufficient in early life is a gift that keeps on giving. Tupi, South Cotabato. Pututan, Iloilo. This aspiring dentist is an only child whose parents both served in the military. While duty often kept them away from home, she was never short on love and company, thanks to her extended family and 22 dogs. Pututan, Iloilo. Zamboanga City. She comes from a family of educators, so it's no surprise that she developed a deep love for learning. That passion paid off when she graduated magna cum laude in college. Zamboanga City. Tayabas City. Balay City. Currently taking up development communication, she considers her time as a probationary midshipwoman at the Philippine Merchant Marine Academy one of the defining chapters of her life, pushing her to become stronger both physically and mentally. Ago La Union. A registered nurse, youth leader, and a ramp and print model, she proudly represents the Philippines at the CN Youth Camp in Rayong, Thailand. Today, she continues to serve through the Philippine Red Cross Youth in La Union. Ago La Union. Dumawini Isabela. She may now be flying the skies as a cabin crew member, but she's also a graduate of education major in mathematics. A feeding program she joined during the pandemic inspired her to make volunteerism a lifelong commitment. Dumawini Isabela. Belesteros, Cagayan. This freelance content creator graduated with a degree in medical technology with honors. Her lifelong dream is to become a doctor who touches lives, an entrepreneur who creates opportunities for others. Marikina City. She once joined competing in cosplay events, but today she's following the footsteps of her mother and aunt, who both competed in beauty pageants. A licensed architect, she has now set her sights on designing a better world for every Filipino. Tayabas City. This third-year density student once entered a singing competition with no formal training and still took home the top prize. One day, she hopes to become a doctor and dedicate her skills to serving underserved communities.